Well, my idiotic pirate villain army, since you failed the rescue of our pirate villain base and Lucius's dirty tricks, and I decided I am not giving you punishment. Yay! What do you say? Yeah, but we say that for later. So, Walter, Beard Arg, come to save yourself? Oh, with pleasure. Yeah, I'm out of here. Okay, you freaks. I need you a moment. But Kevin, Stuart, and Bob are gonna test it out at the Race Around Rock Championships. And since Lucius Heinous VII lost the race after the balloon pop crash, but he's just gonna ruin anything else. What's that? You think? I hate that yellow guys. Yeah, since you ruined the race on 1968 in the villains only race. Yeah, I saw it too. Yeah, I believe that we're gonna find them. Yeah. Come on, Graham, Acer, let's go. I go on my way. Wait for me. Wait for me too. Wait for me. Now I'm out of here. Wait for me. Me too. Be free. I am not giving.
The racing continued.
Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back in this episode of Woodpecker Racing. And today, we got a brand new racer. It's Kevin, Stuart, and Bob. Kevin, Stuart, and Bob will be final championship of London. But don't worry, here's the list that did not qualify. Woody Woodpecker, Plankton, Maleficent, Jake, Clarence, SpongeBob, Mordecai Rigby, and Bommy Exploderson are not qualified yet, because today is the practice. Now, and let's go to the track. Let's go. I'm gonna go get some cookies. Sorry. Me too. Shh. Okay, we got a different one. Oh, woohoo! Look at this. They're gonna practice the race. Next up, the practice with Kevin, Stuart, and Bob. Wait, why the racers not there? I don't know. I'm glad I have my day off of the race. Yeah, kind of. Now, thanks to Lucius, he just ruined my cart. Kevin, Stuart, Bob, I could see you over there. Be good, okay?
Okay. Hello. Hello, team. Hello, Lepuchi.
Oh, hello everyone. Sorry, I forgot. It's the annoying orange. He does not qualify. Sorry about that. But I miss my mustache anyways. Don't worry, I could get a new mustache. Until the practice ends. Haha, you see that? A moment. Very dirty trick, huh?
Hi there.
Little bunny. Happy racer, stop that. You're gonna get us all caught. You're gonna almost cover has been blown. Yeah, we can't do that. We're spies. That's exactly.
I agree with that.
Oh. I see. Sorry Sorry about that.
Kevin! 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 Kevin!
Okay, there one racer left. Goes by Kevin, Stuart, and Bob.
Hello!
Ready, get set, and go! And there goes Kevin, Stuart, and Bob. They're gonna lead right there. Yeah. So, what do we do now? I don't know.
Okay, Stuart. See. Flamog.
Okay, no.
See.
Banana!
Hey, look, that's Captain D. Hey, Captain D over here. Go stop it. The minions, here we come now. Oh, come on, let's go. Go. Let's do this. Is those pirates again? What? There I know. It's Captain D's doing it again.
Don't let him fool you!
Keep going, you good at stuff. You don't buckle into your squirches. Again.
Stuart, come in. Okay. Bob. Yes, you have a matona. Oh, see.
Come on, shoot it.
Okay.
The yellow guy has a bazooka. Run.
Oh, ouch. That yellow guy has a bazooka. You think?
Okay. Kevin.
Ja. He said going on.
Okay.
And look, Kevin's crossing in the finish line. So he is the winner.
See! Go, Kevin! Go!
Yeah.
Yeah! You did it! You beat him!
Oh no, we failed.
Thank you, Kevin.
Thank you, Stuart, Bob. Well, everyone, I guess that's enough for this episode of Woody Woodpecker Racing. And this time, Kevin, Stuart, and Bob has passed the test. And now we have to wait for another racer to come out. Gee, I wonder who it is. I don't know either. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I got to focus. Be seeing ya. Okay, bye. Thank you for winning the race. Wow, this is amazing. Kevin, Stuart, and Bob has won the race. Yeah, can you believe this? And the pirate villain has blasted the ship again. And the minions, the 3 minions kicked the pirate villain's butt. Yeah, I like that part. I can't believe we failed again for Lucius. Who's responsible for failing us again? Give me some answers, or I'll start beating all of you.
Okay, wait,
Beardog did this.
run!
Ah!
Willie,